Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Nike promo codes in 2023. This Nike discount code is going to save you $100 off your next order, and this is a simple Nike promo code that you can enter in as per usual in the basket or the checkout, and it's going to remove $100 or the equivalent of $100 in your local currency off your order. And obviously you only have to add more than $100 to your basket to be able to apply this code. I thought I'd mention that, but anyway, I'm going to be running through these steps in this video, and make sure you follow along if you want to get your own code. So let's get into it. Okay, so you should now see my mobile phone screen. So pretty self-explanatory. You need to use your mobile phone and open up an internet browser and type this website, guys. You got to go directly to this website, www.giftcardhero.net. So type it like this to go to the website, and basically, guys, there is tons of stuff on this page, but we need to look for the Nike promo codes. So you can see there's this green square button that says menu. If you tap that, you can see at the top there is a search bar, and we just need to type in here Nike and hit search. And this is the page you're looking for, Nike promo codes. Open that page up. This has been used thousands of times, and it's been rated really highly by verified registered users. And scroll down, and this is the code we're looking for. You can see there is a $100 off your order code. As I mentioned, this is an exclusive $100 code for new as well as existing customers. So it doesn't matter if you're an existing customer or you're not an existing customer, you can still use this code. So we need to unlock the code, guys. So press reveal promo code, and you're going to see this screen. Basically, we need to just follow the instructions on this page to unlock your personal Nike promo code. So you can see we need to complete 2 of the tasks that are listed below, and once we complete 2 of these tasks, it's going to reveal our code. So you can see we just need to follow the instructions on this page, and it's really easy. For example, this one that says enter your complete and unlock. So we need to click on one of these. You're going to get different tasks depending on where you are in the world. These are like UK based ones for me. And I just need to basically input my email into this one. Let me go back and do another as well. Same sort of thing, just got to answer some questions. Yep, so if you get these email ones, you have to make sure you put in your correct email, because this verifies you're a real person. So yeah, just make sure you fully complete these correctly. So I'm going to pause the video, finish both of those 3 tasks, and let's see if it gives me my Nike promo code. I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and completed those 2 tasks I showed you there. So I just had to make sure I fully completed every single step that was required. Took me a few minutes, and I know it's annoying having to unlock these codes, but it's the only method that actually works, and it does give you a discount code that is actually worth using. Obviously $100 is quite a bit of money. So once you've fully completed 2 of the tasks on that page, go back to your Gift Card Heroes tab, scroll down, and it has now shown my exclusive and unique Nike promo code. So this code I have to simply copy, and I can enter this into the Nike basket or checkout. And as long as I've added over $100 or around 80 Great British pounds to the basket, I can apply this code, and it's going to basically just remove $100. So that is how easy it is, guys, to get your code. These are unique, so you need to go and get your own at giftcardhero.net. Follow the instructions in this video. Leave a comment below if you need any help. Hit that like button if you got your code. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.